My name is Gabrielle Cordero, and I'm from Arlington, Virginia, in the United States. The purpose of my project was to explore how laundry detergents on the market might impact crime reconstruction by removing potential evidence of blood on clothing that would otherwise be detected using a luminol test. My experiment was designed to test a chemical known as active oxygen or sodium percarbonate that has replaced chlorine detergent over the years. To imitate blood, a protein called myoglobin was used to give a positive luminol test. Strips of 100% cotton fabric were soaked in myoglobin and tested using a luminol solution to ensure there was a positive test before being washed. The control group was washed using a natural detergent that didn't contain active oxygen, and the experimental group was washed with the chemical detergent that did. After being washed and dried, another luminol test was performed, and the percentage of positive luminol tests data and qualitative observations were collected. What I found was that my data was insignificant. 100% of the fabric strips tested positive out of 20 trials for the control group as well as the experimental group. No chi-square was performed because of the lack of diversity in my data. There was no significant difference in luminol intensity between the two groups either. Puzzled by this result, I decided to test a series of constants, which included the presence of myoglobin, the effect of the chemical detergent itself and other ingredients in it, and the effect of a luminol test prior to the wash cycle. None of them interfered with my results. In conclusion, sodium percarbonate did not produce a negative test, and the null hypothesis was accepted, and no tested experimental errors interfered with the original experiment. Consequently, forensic scientists shouldn't have to take into account the loss of evidence due to clothes being washed. Luminol is still a reliable tool to detect blood in clothing.